Right, I'm restreaming. Jesus, why did I do this? So let's do this. Press this button. Press this button. Press this button. Alright, I pressed all the buttons. So, last time I stopped the stream, I was dealing with a bug where when I ran the game, it gave me a JSON parsing error. And I couldn't fucking figure it out. So I spent like an hour off stream fucking around with various things related to the serialization, and in the end I realized, actually I didn't even realize till after I fixed it on accident. So what the issue was, what I did, I went to wall and I added naming. So what that means is that in JSON, like I'll just show the JSON thing, the variables get names, but I already created a the units JSON, and the units JSON already contained like walls, which was something that I was going to remove anyway. Well, what ended up happening is that when I created that units JSON, it didn't give names to the wall sections. So when it was looking for those names again, because I changed the serialization function, it couldn't find them. And this took me like so long to figure out, even though it's such a simple thing. So yeah, that really pissed me off. I mean, it was late, so later in the day gets the less clearly I can think. But right now I removed I just removed the walls from the serialization. Now, that's not actually what matters, but I was gonna do that anyway. But I want to create a third. Yeah, I want to create a third wall thing. I copy this in here. And now I need to and I'm gonna go to, oh, do I even have this open? There it is. Oh, do you have this? Okay, all wall sects, cool. I already made this function apparently. All wall segments. It's gonna be UN3. The reason I'm using these shitty names is because this is a temporary code. T3. UN3, right? Dot size. Vector wall. Wall is equal to, and then UN3 vector wall. Okay. T3. Fuck. Now the only thing I don't know is the name. Fuck. I don't actually know the name here. Shit. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna do this differently. Let's see, where's init? Holy fuck, I have way too much shit open. Here it is. It's gonna return vector string. Yeah, that looks good. string, okay. Get walls. So now we can connect this string to this walls section. Now I want a fourth off stream. And I guess I should create a new file. Touch. Let's just call this wall segments.json. Wall segments.json looks good. OS4. T3. Now I want to load it back into it's a pretty good meme. Yeah, I'm actually literally rewriting serialization right now. And I already made like actually I was thinking like, fuck dude, I should just make progress, and I started making like levels, or I started trying to make like levels, units and stuff. And now that I'm reworking shit, all of that stuff just kind of gets in the way. So in a way, that's kind of a mistake. But it's kind of hard to really anticipate what you need. Because the reason I'm doing this is because I was gonna make like a map editor. Yeah, I was like writing a map editor, and then I realized the fucking serialization system I had was just fucking awful. It was awful, but like it was a lot of effort to add new stuff to it. And this serial library I'm using now, it's actually a lot easier. But you know, rewriting code is just part of, it's just the reality of programming, I guess. Really, especially if you're fairly inexperienced like I am. Anyway, this wall segments. Let's see. It's gonna be 4, and I want to paste this here. I want to paste this here. And do this. This is gonna be 4. Okay, so all of these variable names are, well, they're clearly terrible. But they're all temporary, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. Let's compile. You know, actually, oops, that's not the fucking button. That's not the compile type I wanted. So right now I'm using Serial, and I like JSON personally. I think JSON is a lot more readable than XML, personally. But before this, I had my own thing, and I should show that. Like this is what it used to look like. This is my old serialization kind of. This is my old data. And the reason I made this is to just be able to sort of change variables, and without having to recompile every time, because compilation is really fucking slow. But yeah, this was the issue is that this is like not that bad, honestly. The issue was that I had this like huge fucking class where I needed to define every fucking data type and how to add it. And I mean, look at this shit. This is like a massive class, like over 1,000 lines. When this library I'm using now, like this. Okay, well, this is still. I mean, this is obviously still This is much better. It doesn't really look like it, but this is a lot easier. It's a lot of code, but it's very brainless. Just fucking slam all the class variables in there and it works. It's a very simple library too. It's header only, and I think it works really. It works pretty well. It's like not slow. It's simple. Okay, so let's see what works. I made another. So the game doesn't work right now because I removed some things that I shouldn't, that are kind of crucial to how the game works. But you know, it's a work in progress. But that's not what I'm testing. Let's see, wall segments. Oh, that doesn't look good at all. Shit. That's definitely not right. Let's just start it, see if it works any better. Wait, what am I doing? I don't... Okay. So I'm going to close this. And I'm going to open the JSON thing I just created. Okay, so this is clearly not working. All wall segments. All segments.json. No, let's just break line, I guess. Let's do like 42. Let's run it again. Okay, the break line is right there. So what do I want to do? I want to look at UN3. Vector length 0, capacity 0. That's just great. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. Let's take a look at what mistake did I make here? Okay, so I think this is the issue here. It's walls with a lowercase l. That's probably it. To recompile for that, goddamn. But it's a good opportunity to rewrite this because actually this part is actually gonna be here always probably. So let's do like if I don't like abbreviations personally. If stream units. Stream abilities, walls, if stream wall segments, just copy it like this. Oh yeah, I shouldn't have been saving. Okay, just remember, do not save. Archive units. Because it's quite funny if you like save like mid compilation, it will sometimes take the changes with it. So if you like start your compilation and you realize at the last second, like just after you started, that there's like, oh shit, I forgot to change the thing, it's not gonna work. You could try to change it and save, and then maybe it catches it. Maybe it doesn't though, so it's probably safer to just stop. What else do I need to do? Okay. I just save it again, whatever. So the other thing I need to do, so let's go to, let's close this. Vector wall. So this needs to be changed. This is going to be a string. I don't know how I want to do this though. And the string is going to be the same string that goes into, that is the key for this, for the map of wall segments. So that should make sense, I think. So let's go to unit, and let's add a string called wall segments. Maybe a slightly deceptive name. Does it still not work? It might still not work. Wall segments. Fuck, dude. Son of a bitch. Oh, wall segments. String results. Value map. Element compare is 0. I don't know what this does. I wrote this at some point and it seems to work, but I don't know what it. Okay, so this element second is a what is this? It's so this is value map, which is so string. It's a string. You know what I think it actually does is like compare the first like 4 or 5 characters. Let's take a look at this, man. Let's fucking take a look at string compare. I don't know exactly which argument is what, but I think one of them, yeah, one of them is length, right? God, that actually makes a lot of sense. So it starts from 0 and it ends at 4. And it works for wall and unit because they're both 4. Wait, no, they're not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah, they are. Kind of crazy that ability works, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I'm not even sure ability works. I don't think I actually use this. Yeah, no, I don't. Do I? I don't use all abilities. I use get abilities, so that's why. What I do want to do though is go here. I'm gonna get unit. Do I want to do it like this? do I want to do this? It's a good question. Do I want to do this here? I don't know, actually. Yeah, fuck it. We'll do it here. No, wait, this doesn't make any sense. Oh, no, it does. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. Fuck, what is it? These types, passive walls. Bam, there it is. There it is. So now it adds the string. Hopefully it works this time. Okay, let's take a look. Wall segments.json. Yay! And this is gonna be like another. Wow, look at this. Okay, 2.3k lines. And like honestly, it's not that big a deal that this is like huge because I can navigate it with. Like, you know, if I want to add just a specific wall, I know the name. And I think I shouldn't even be that hard, honestly. I think I could just like copy and paste to add a new wall section. I probably don't want to, but yeah, okay, looks good. And so I think wall segment. Okay, I misnamed that. Makes more sense without an S. Yeah, and I'm gonna compile and run again, and that's gonna store this string in the units.json file, and then I'm gonna get rid. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of walls. Then it's gonna give you a lot of errors. So I'm gonna fix them all. Yeah, that's pretty much it actually. Pretty straightforward. Oh, so slow. Finally. Okay. So now I want to check if units.json. What was it called? It was called like wall. Oh wait, no, fuck. I totally forgot to add it to the archive, to the. I forgot to add it to the archive function. Or the serialize function. You know what, I could just like start working on the other changes. As long as I don't save, it should be fine. So we're gonna remove walls. save it. Resist the urge to press Ctrl S. And now I want to do something like unit walls. Okay, it's only one match. And this I want to change into wall segments. And instead of walls here, we have wall segment. That's yes. Again, do not save. Okay. Is that really the only place I ever use unit walls? Nah, that can't be right. Let's try unit dot walls. Huh? Nothing? Didn't I make it so that after this function was called, I cleared the vector? No? Okay. Let's just save this and this. Maybe I should have done that. Wall segment. A lot of zeros. Yeah, this looks good. Okay. Now I just need to see the errors. There we go. There is unit.walls. Of course, it's in. Of course, in init there is. Right there. Is that the only thing? Is that really the only place I use walls? Honestly, it might just be true. Ah, errors. Okay. Okay. Unit underscore arrow walls. What? Oh, this is an error, of course. What else? Units type underscore dot walls. Oh, geez, these look quite a lot. I think I kind of want to do something like this. Just in case I chase this again, I want to do this. And then the unit is right here. This is a copy, so that's cool. You know what? I should actually just do this too. So we get wall segment that size, and this is pretty sure this is the same unit. Same wall segment. Wait, does that make sense? Ability unit type. Oh yeah, it's if stable. Okay, that makes sense. Wall segment I. Yep, that's all fine. What else? Was that it? No, there's more. I got a feeling it's something similar to this, actually. Somewhere, what, 3199? Scroll down. 3199. Oh, right, it's not accurate anymore, but... yeah. God, look at this stuff, man. Unit types, ability, unit type, yeah, okay, so this I can just replace with unit. Sometimes I just don't feel like doing this, even though this is clearly much more readable. Okay. Units. Unit types, ability units. Oh my god, I use this so much. Oops. Fuck. Okay, I think that's it. I probably made several mistakes. Yeah, probably. Well, they'll fucking show up when I compile. Is there anything else I need to do? I think I'm actually pretty close to being done with the serialization thing. Yeah. Oh shit. Factions unit team. I definitely made a mistake. I definitely made several mistakes. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's real bad. Oh, shit. 2684. I should actually put this like here. Now I need to replace specific parts where I used unit. Okay, let's see. Other units. I create another unit here, but that's it. Okay, I guess there wasn't that many in this one. I need to go all the way back down to, what is it, like 3199? Yeah, 3192. Ah, yes, see, okay. This is the unit that's going to be made. Research costs. This is other units. You know what, actually, now that I think about it, I don't think I actually... The other way around is actually easier. Oh god, I'm just definitely gonna make mistakes here. Unit supply, unit team. This is a source unit basically. I should actually call this source unit to be more clear. Shit, guys, son of a bitch, this was bad. This is pretty bad. Yeah, I do want this is fine, I think. This is also fine. This does need to happen. Yep, that's yep. Yep. Okay, I think that's everything. There's definitely a chance that I fucked everything up and that it's not going to be cut by the compiler. find out like months later that maybe not months later, but like later that I mistyped something here and oh god, what is this bug? And it's like, oh shit, I made a mistake here. Oh man, okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Stroom gaat eraf.
Nee, wat? What? Oh my god. Apparently the power is going to be cut. Dot. Yeah, I wanted to. This is a good idea. I don't know if this is a good idea. Is the team of the unit even set? Apparently power's gonna be cut, so I guess I have to end the stream. Yeah.